Hi friends, it's your Join in a Bottle and welcome to my channel. So ngayon po, nandito tayo sa aking favorite place, ang IKEA. Okay, so since naghahanap kami lilipat nga pala kami ng bagong house. So maghahanap kami ngayon ng ibang items sa pwede naming dalhin dun sa bago naming bahay. At saka isang bed for Maxine. Okay? So, let's go! Let's do some shopping! Uy, meron silang rocking chair na bago. Try natin. Natin yung rocking chair. Ooh, yeah. It's comfy, kaya lang limited yung kanyang galaw. Ito na yung bed ni Maxine. Yung bed frame is $245 pero hindi pa kasama ron yung mattress. Oh, nagtitinda na rin pala ang IKEA ng ng surfboard ito. ito. Woohoo. Yan, nandito na kami sa pickup area. Kunin na namin yung bed ni Maxine. Ito na si Manong driver with his cart. Okay, Manong, pakikuha na lang po yung kutsyon.
Buhati mo to. Bigat nito.
Wait lang po, medyo mabigat yun. Ikuha na natin yung bed frame. Saan yung bed frame? Anong section?
20.
20. 20. Doon na natin ang pag-vlog. Dito naman tayo sa Pan Emirates. So, we're gonna look for a cabinet na pwede namin din madala dun sa bago naming house. Let's go! Habang nakikita tayo. Ayan, meron din sila mga dividers, room dividers, tapos may mga design na siya. So cute. So maganda rin yan pag ito yung mga online schooling, kailangan 'di ba dapat plain or walang tao sa background ng mga students. Ay, ito meron silang welcome rug. So cute oh. Ay, slipper doormat. Ang cute. Ito, cute. Ay. There. Come in and hang around. Ay, cute ni. Ganda nito. It's a blanket. Ang cute. 230 reals. Pero ang cute nito, mo soft. Hawakan mo. Oh. Hi friends! So, andito na tayo sa new house namin. Actually, nakalipat na kami ng like almost a month ago. Pero we went back to IKEA to buy some more items that we can have at home. Ito yung mga small items lang that we need. So, these items were not included in the previous video that I've showed you earlier. So, here are the items that I bought. I'll show them to you one by one. Okay, so the first item that we bought is this phone holder or a cell phone holder. And I'm not sure if it's 7 or 2 reals, but I'll show you the picture here, or I can also add the description link below. Okay? Okay, so for the second item that I bought is this umbrella, and it's only 14 reals. Yan. This is good because it's summer, it's very hot outside, and to protect our skin, you know. Ta-da! Yes. And it's quite big. There's the umbrella. And then, yung kitchen shears niya. 2 of them. There's white and gray. And then, I really like this. This is a clock, a wall clock. And it's only 8 reals. It's only 8 reals. Okay, and the next one that we bought is this LED light. And it cost 55 reals. I'll show it to you. I'll open it. Open. Oops. Yes, it's so cute. Look. I didn't actually buy a shade for this. So, ganito lang namin siya ikakabit. Of course, para makabit natin, you need a cord. So, this is, it's called a Hemma cord, and it's 40 reals. And I like it because it's gold in color. I'll show them to you. There, look, it's so nice. Okay, and one more thing, I also bought a dishwashing brush, but I used it as a brush for our floor. Maganda siya. And when you hold it, maganda yung grip niya. If you haven't watched our house hunting video, kung gusto niyo rin makita kung ano yung apartment na nakuha namin, you can watch this video and you will see apartment number 9. Ayun yung nakuha naming apartment. So, hope you like this video. So please don't forget to like and subscribe. So see you on my next video. Bye! Stay safe!